The next morning, Papa had excuse for Rose. Would you like to ride with me, George? Good, Rose shouted. Yes, said Papa, but you must behave. You mustn't distract Paul from his driving. Mr. Curly won't allow you next time. Yes, Papa, Rose said, trying to sound well behaved. Inside, she was jumping up and down with excitement. Morning, Rose, Mr. Curly said. He was holding the horses and smiling at her already. Rose nodded so eagerly that her sunbonnet fell off her head. A big green grin spread across Paul's face. Paul, Mr. Curly said sharply, keep those reins taut. Paul's face felt a smile, but the corners of his mouth still quivered. He held the reins of the big black horses in his hands. Rose noticed that he hunched over and rested his foot on the dashboard, just the way Papa did. He pushed his head off his forehead to see better. Papa did that too. It took Rose to realize how grown up Papa looked. Mr. Curly lifted Rose up onto the high seat. She settled herself down between Paul and George. Paul gave the reins a little flip and chirruped to the horses. Their heads began to bob as they pulled the wagon in. And Mr. and Mrs. Curly's wagon. Is it hard to drive? Rose asked. A covered wagon was so much bigger than Papa's wagon. She was surprised to see how high off the ground she was. Not for me, Paul said. My pa says I have a knack for it. One thing, though, you have to watch in case the team might strike from something like a snake. Horses hate snakes. To hold the reins just a certain way, not too tight, not too loose. Want to try? Could I? Rose asked in astonishment. Sure, you can drive, Paul said. Hold the ends of the reins like this. See? I'll hold on to the rest of them just in case. Rose took the leather reins in her small hands, but the line still